I think that what Dr. Orenstein has completed is the best solution that I could have, because my mouth feels like it's my mouth. It doesn't belong to somebody else.
I literally don't feel anything different. When I smile or when I talk, it looks like you have your normal teeth back.
Here at the Dental Specialist, we want to provide top-level care, excellent customer service, stand behind the work that we do, and provide you the smile you've always wanted. When someone comes to the Dental Specialist, we want to make sure that they know they've made the right choice in their dental provider. Our goal here is to make sure people feel welcome, to feel loved. That's what we enjoy about our day-to-day work, is getting to know people, finding the right options for them. Because it's not the teeth that we're concerned about, it's the person behind the teeth.
And the first thing, like from the moment that I walked into the Dental Specialist, the staff, they were very kind, they treated me well. I sat down with Dr. Orenstein and he completely put me at ease. He explained the entire procedure, so there was going to be no surprises. Every step of the way, he asked me if I was doing okay.
I feel like this is much more of an intimate practice. You know, it's kind of coming in and it's like seeing friends again. But most importantly, it's just feeling like, you know, these are a really good group of people who are very professional, but really do care. There's a sincerity and an authenticity that I don't always find in other people, and certainly not other healthcare practitioners.
In our continuously evolving landscape of technology, we are providing same-day treatment solutions, whether that is full arch implant treatments, to single unit crowns, to gum procedures. Technology provides an integral role in making things faster, predictable, and more streamlined.
I think it's very important in dentistry to stay up to the latest technology and latest things. When I come here, I feel that I have people who still extremely invested in learning, keeping up with the times, and doing the best they can and offering the best to their patients.
Yeah, technology has made dentistry much better from what I remember. It seems as if it's much more comfortable. I certainly wouldn't want to get all this work done maybe even 10 years ago with either computer technology or laser technology or whatever is being used. Have less of the guesswork and more of the accuracy.
We want to make sure that the experience is fluid, that you have top-notch customer service, feel taken care of the entire way from start to finish, and we want you to feel as though you ended up at the place that gave you the best treatment that you could get.